What's up, everybody? T Smola here. So here's the situation. There's snow rolling in about 3 hours. I drove about an hour away from home. I'm hoping to get about 20 some caches before the bad stuff hits and I got to start heading for home. So let's see what we can do. So these caches probably aren't going to be anything too special, but with snow like this, you got to take what you can get. So I already did part of this series. I didn't film it. I did it like a few weeks ago. Like 17 caches popped up in this series, and then like another 20 more popped up like in the last week or so. And basically it's one of the only spots that I knew where every cache was going to definitely be winter friendly. So just gonna see how many I can find. Ideally, I'd like to wrap up, there's like 24 caches. I'd like to wrap those up by 11:30. Whoa, some deer are really close to the road right there. But yeah, I'd like to wrap them up by like 11:30. I'd like to start heading home before noon, ideally, just to make sure I beat all the nasty weather. So yeah, the coordinates took me over there, and it's actually right here. Don't you just love that? So I can already see this one sticking out of the back of that sign. Gotta like it when they're easy. So that's going to do it for today, you guys. I apologize again. All those caches were identical. I was hoping there'd be something different in there, but you know, it's a winter-friendly series. It is what it is. I ended up finding like 21, 22, something like that. I don't know. I lost count. But you know, it got me over 200 finds on the year, and that's basically all I wanted to do today. So, you know, hopefully this snow will melt off, and I'll have some opportunities to go out and do some more interesting things. In this area, there's a lot of parks and stuff like that I haven't gotten to yet, so I'll definitely be coming back here once I have a good day to come out and look. But other than that, I got nothing else for you guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.